Welcome to the neon-lit frontier of AI infrastructure. OpenAI's o1 introduced thinking, but DeepSeek V3.2 perfected the execution. We are looking at the first model that doesn't force you to choose between reasoning and action. It is the missing link for agentic workflows, combining deep logic with real-world tool execution in a single, streamlined, and highly affordable API response. The economics of Llama 3.2 are just as disruptive as the technology itself. At only 14 cents per million input tokens, it is a tactical nuke to the pricing structures of GPT-5 and Claude 4. It achieves a gold medal 96% on AIME 2025 and supports a 128,000 token context window, making it the most cost-effective powerhouse in the current LLM landscape. The thinking trap is finally dead. Before V3.2, you had to stop the model's reasoning process to call a function or query a database. Now, the reasoning chain continues right through the tool call. This allows for complex, multi-step problem solving, where the model evaluates the tool's output and adjusts its logic on the fly, all within one single request. DeepSeek's mixture of experts architecture is a masterclass in efficiency. By only activating 37 billion parameters out of 685 billion for any given token, it maintains high performance with significantly lower latency. This is paired with DeepSeek's sparse attention, which slashes computational complexity while keeping your 128K context crisp and accessible for massive codebases. Activating this power is simple. Using the OpenAI-compatible SDK, you just add a specific parameter to your request. Here is how you initialize the client and define a tool for stock analysis. Note the extra body parameter. That is the key that unlocks the thinking mode alongside your function calls for real-time market analysis. For production environments, streaming is the recommended path to avoid timeouts on long reasoning chains. This Python snippet shows how to handle the dual stream of reasoning content and the final answer. By capturing the reasoning buffer separately, you can provide a live look into the model's brain as it processes complex, multi-step agentic tasks. Getting started is a simple one-liner. Just install the OpenAI library and you are ready to hit the DeepSeek endpoint. Because the API is fully compatible with existing OpenAI workflows, you can migrate your existing agents to V3.2 in minutes. It is a drop-in replacement that immediately cuts your costs by an order of magnitude. Let's look under the hood at the training pipeline. The architecture is built on three specific pillars: DeepSeek sparse attention for memory efficiency, expert specialization via reinforcement learning for tasks like coding in 338 languages, and an agentic task synthesis pipeline trained on over 85,000 complex instructions to ensure your autonomous agents behave reliably. The MIT license is a game changer for enterprise and independent developers alike. It gives you the ultimate freedom in the AI space. You get full access to weights for self-hosting on your own hardware, the ability to fine-tune on proprietary data without privacy leaks, and zero restrictions on commercial deployment or redistribution of your modified versions. The performance in coding is particularly striking. With specialized experts for 338 programming languages, V3.2 rivals GPT-5 on major benchmarks. It doesn't just write snippets, it reasons through the architecture of entire codebases. You can feed it a mid-sized project, and it will maintain coherence across the entire 128K token window. DeepSeek V3 isn't just another model, it is a paradigm shift for the developer community. By collapsing the wall between thinking and acting, it provides the most sophisticated engine for autonomous agents available today. It is faster, smarter, and significantly cheaper than the closed-source giants. The era of proprietary dominance is officially over. The future of AI is open, reasoning-capable, and affordable. It is time to stop overpaying and start building smarter. You can find the full code implementation, detailed benchmarks, and the deployment guide for DeepSeek V3.2 at Effloow.com. Subscribe for more deep dives into the cutting edge of AI infrastructure.